Hey guys, and welcome to another LEGO video. And for today's video, I'm building something that we would build to keep stuff in storage outside our house, and something that you can use to cut your grass with. So I hope you guys are ready for this fun, exciting video. It's going to be very cool, awesome, exciting, cool. I do have some creepy videos coming out. I got planned. We'll see what I can build with that. We'll see what I got coming. So, yeah, so I hope you guys leave a like on the video. And also hit that subscribe button. And also hit that notification bell, wherever it is. So that way you can be notified on my channel for my next coming up videos I have coming up. So with that, let's get into building the build. guys to see that I built. And I have built, put it down a little bit, I have built a mini shed with doors. And yes, it is my school colors, so I thought I would do it. Sometimes you can do different colors for shed. I didn't have any colors, so I kind of went this temporary. So yeah, I have the shed here, so this is over there. And then over here we have a little lawnmower. I think the lawnmower turned out good. Now you can have the lever to switch over, the steering wheel, the chair, and then it looks like really cool design. Shed's a little different, like the roof's a little bit different, but this is what I could use because I found pieces for that. I think it turned out good, so I'm like, it turned out good. It looks very nice. I don't think the shed turned out any that bad. I think the shed looks good with the inside. You can probably put the little lawnmower in here, maybe. If I can try, I don't know. No. Guess I should have made it bigger. Darn. But anyway, I think, yeah, now I got a little shed and a little lawnmower. I think it turned out really good. These guys look very cool. So, yeah. I kind of have fun building this one. It's kind of cool. I have some cool stuff for Legos, so I'm like, this one took a little harder because I had to match the colors and everything, but I'm like, because even on the inside, I'm like, I even put this, if you can see maybe, this freaking, I put that brick with in case you want to decorate the inside and stuff, so I'm like, and then this just had those for just design. Well, that's all I can do over here, but, yeah, I think these turned out good, and these turned out really good for me to build this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.